I would like to mention that this presentation contains some sensitive images, dog poop, etc. So please have your own discretion if you'd like to see this content further. And while I thought about this project, I mean, I really wanted to understand some background on the dog poop waste management. And with that, the key objective is to bring some awareness around the dog poop waste management, and also responsibility among the dog owners to keep the neighborhood clean. So I'll first of all talk about some of the most common misconceptions that we have around the dog poop. So the first one is, I mean, we often think that dog poop is fertilizer for our lawn and shrubs. That's really not the case, as you can see in this image. Second, if you see, 1 gram of dog waste can contain as many as 23 million fecal coliform bacteria, primarily responsible for diarrhea and food poisoning. And if you ever thought that, okay, let it be there in the backyard and the lawnmower is going to sort it out, that really makes the situation worse. That's the third one. And the fourth one, dog fecal matter is a major contributor to stormwater pollution. And the fifth one, around 20 years ago, the EPA has already classified dog waste as a dangerous pollutant in the same category as toxic chemicals and oil. Sixth, the CDC confirms that the hookworm, ringworm, tapeworm can be spread by the contact with infected dog waste. And so with this background, I thought let's apply this background and see some concepts we could use from our deep learning class. So there are multiple use cases that I could think of, but I thought detecting the poop left by the dog owners could be the key that I'm going to focus on this effort. And there are many others which could be looked at, like sending notifications to homeowners, identifying the dog breed, sending alerts, and poop image study. This is another area which people have already done a lot of work on. And if I'll show you, and if I have to mention some of the key deliverables that came up during this project around the problem statement, and there was no dog poop data set available, so I ended up creating some annotations around that, using the faster RCNN, and evaluating and deploying that model. And if you see, this is how the data was prepared using the VGG image annotator. And this is how the output looks like. The down below were the feeds, and the ones above are the outputs from the model. So thank you.